Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Gaming Data. And so today I am gonna be showing all the cars I have in Jailbreak, guys. All the cars I have in Jailbreak. So let's get started with the first one. And the first one is the Camaro. Everybody knows that, guys. I'll stop being cringe and let's go to the real ones. I have the Model 3 too. I have the Tesla Model 3 and the Dija. If you guys ask why do I already had 3 cars, like I could save money. My little brother has one, so I thought to buy it, and my old account had the Model 3, so I thought to buy that too. And you all know, if you watched the last video, the lamb editor and the challenger, guys. I didn't buy this thing actually. I got this from a trade and some many awesome items I will show you. And the next one is, do you guys love it? The Roadster, guys. I have the Roadster in the Jailbreak and I love it. The acceleration is the best and the braking is so good. I got the Roadster. It's just a hard grinding, but I managed to get it. Let me get it. Alright, let's park the car right over here. And you guys will also be shocked to see the next one. And next one is the Bugatti. Hey guys, I did not buy this one. I also got it from a trade for the Hypercon. I wish I could show you. I don't have a screenshot though. And the Challenger and the Bugatti and some many more little things and a spoiler. And I got it all for the Hypercon level 1, guys. Just look how expensive is just Hypercon level 1, and I still have 2 of them. Oh god. If I sell both of them, I could just buy a Wolf bike right now. And the next one is the prison bus, guys. I bought it, so if you are playing with like my friends, I could use it for everyone, or team up with a lot of people like that. And the next one I have is the ambulance. I don't know why I bought it. It does have sirens though, and you can also sit at the back. That is the coolest part. You can also be like a patient and avoid the cops coming in. Sorry, we have to go. Patient is here. Let's just go. And here's the ambulance in the hospital. Another ram. And you guys, I got a vehicle for worth 2.5 million, guys. 2.5 million. And if you guys do not, it's the veg. I have veg. And guys, I did not buy this with my own money. That would be crazy. How I got it was like I did a quest that showed me to redeem something here. The veg, and I redeemed it, and I got it. I'm actually shocked when you see it, but it is faster than the roadster though, but the acceleration is not that good. Like, if we make the race, like, get to the prison, maybe they easily win because far, but a short race, the roadster will definitely win. And the braking and the steering is hard. Look at this. The steering. And let me make it. No! No! Video. Alright, so I also have this and the next thing I have is nothing. I earned this, so guys, can you please tell which one is the better line? Ah, the police just gave me a friend request. Alright, this is with my NG5 Adore. And let me get my roadster real quick. Roadster. This is also with the engine 5. So guys, please think what should I use, like for the daily grinding, like the wedge or the roadster. What do you guys think? I probably think like I'm gonna use the wedge, but not. I am just so confused, guys. Which the wedge goes faster, but the roadster has the best acceleration. Uh, Please tell me in the comment down below, guys. And make sure to like this video, subscribe, and see you